Hello Frobelians, how are you? I hope you all are staying safe at home. Do anybody of you know how to make a homemade sanitizer without alcohol? No? Never mind. After my video, I'm sure you will be capable to make a sanitizer without alcohol with the natural ingredients available at home. First of all, we need aloe vera leaf. If you don't have aloe vera leaf at your home, then we can use aloe vera gel also easily available at your home. Then you need coconut oil, natural coconut oil, which is still optional. Then you need rock salt available at home and half lemon, little bit of water and sanitized container. Pour little water in the container. Add pinch of salt. Then add aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very good for skin. Then add few drops of coconut oil, which is optional. Then add squeezed lemon juice. Mix it well. Mix it for 2 minutes. Here, our homemade sanitizer is ready. Now, let's pour into the sanitized container. Its effectivity and few facts about the homemade sanitizer we have made. It has lemon in it. Lemon has vitamin C, which protects us to fight against the infection. It has aloe vera, which is skin friendly. Then it has rock salt, which acts as an antioxidant. And in the end, I would like to tell you why I have added oil to it. Oil helps us to blend all the ingredients together. Now friends, let us apply it. Let us apply. I would like you to make same with your mamas. And do click, send us your pictures. Thank you.